I want to put some down here, right? And then I want to put one like over here. And then just, can y'all see? I'm sorry. Just put a little bit right there. And if you want it to be darker, all you have to do is just dab the color on a little bit more. Okay? So I'm going to do one more because, you know, I'm extra. Y'all know I'm extra already, just to make it a little bit darker. Okay? So we got it like that. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm out of frame. Oh, Jesus. That's because my little setup here is all different. Okay, how about this? Hold on for a second, y'all. Hold on for a second. Let me see if I can fix this up. Let me pull this way. Okay, how's that? That's better. Even though this is on my arm. Okay, I think that looks good. I think that looks good like that. Okay, so now we're going to take our crystal clear. Right? You know, just a little something. Go to sleep. No, I don't want y'all to go to sleep. That's what I be saying to my babies sometimes. I gotta sing them the night-night song. I made up a night-night song for them. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is just tap on that green, and I want some of that green to kind of like fade down onto this white. I don't want the white to be, you know, really white. I want it to be more faded. So literally, I'm just tapping on there like that, letting that ink just do what it's gonna do and spread out. Okay. Create that dark little vein there. If you guys want to change the way your veins are going, literally just break it in half and pull it to a different area. Okay. That's all. At this point, this is really whatever you make it, however you do it. Like, whatever you want this to look like, you just tap on there. Just tap on it. Can y'all see? So we want to have like a little vein go up that way. So what you would do is just take your crystal clear and just start tapping in that area, and it's going to pull out more of that white or show more of that white. And just tap. It does, right? You see how it's just moving it, right? And I'm not doing much but just tapping. Oh, God. Yeah, I poured it and spilled it. I still got some left. And thank the Lord my napkin was there. Jeez. So I'm going to go in here and kind of create more of like thinner veins. And all you do is just tap. And this is how you'll create those thinner veins. When you bleed it out, this is how you go in to create thinner veins. You bleed out that color, and then you go back in and re-tap. on that color that you bled. Did that make sense, y'all? I'm sorry. Okay. Can y'all see that? It's nice, right? I want a little more up here. See that? Okay, cool. All right. So now that we have this, do y'all want a shiny background or a matte background? What do you think? What do y'all think? I love matte backgrounds. I feel like they really make the design pop. Shiny. We have one shiny. I need to pull out my tweezers. Ooh, yes, we have a matte. I was hoping somebody would say matte. Like, please, I want to do matte. I want to do matte. I want to do matte. I don't know. So is that my choice now? To choose matte. This is, oh my God, this is so pretty like this. Hey, April girl. You never seen shiny? All right, how about my next nail? I'll do it shiny. I'll do the next nail shiny. Okay? I feel like I don't... Okay, so I'm not going to put another coat on there. I'm just going to start placing the stickers. I'm just going to start placing the stickers. Let me see, which kind do I have here? I got to look at my pandas to see what kind of pandas I got here. Which way they're going. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my black gel pen, okay? And we're just going to do some thin little black lines. Okay, we're going to use the precision painting pens in a bottle. And I'm just going to do like little thin like this. So I kind of made a branch. I don't know. I know pandas are like on the bamboos and all of that, but I wanted to make a branch because it's my nail, it's my design. All you missed was just the green marbling part. So you might just have to go back and look at that one again. But it's okay because I want my panda to be on a tree. Okay? I want him to be on a tree. There's going to be one up here somewhere maybe. I don't know. But I want them to be up on the tree or underneath the tree. So we're just making like little This is just what's in my head. Okay, y'all? It don't have to make sense, but... Alright. So, let's go ahead and put that in the light. That's not what I was thinking at first, but that's just what came to me just then. I don't know. I probably should have looked at a reference picture of a panda and what's the scenery of the panda. Yeah, these right here. These right here. But when I put that across the nail, I was like, ooh, I want to make like a little branchy thing. That's what I wanted to do. This one's, I wanted one standing up going that way, but it's all right. We're going to see what we're doing here. Okay. Right. It's my nail, and I'm gonna do what I want with my nail. So we have some shiny. Oh, I love how the shiny is on the mat. Okay. So let me see. I want to see how this is gonna look. Oh, y'all be careful. Why not put it there? Why not? I don't know. It look like it'll fit. I don't know what's going on over there, but it's all right. It's all right. Now I need one that's... Oops. He just sitting up there, chilling in the tree. He's sitting up there, chilling in the tree. Oh, this one's sitting down here, eating at the end of the tree. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. They're really so cute. Y'all, look at that. Aw, that is so cute. Do y'all like that or no? You can tell me the truth. I think it's so cute. I think it's so cute. Oh, look at him. Look at that. Isn't it cute? We'll put some little bamboo down there, because he's sitting down there eating it. Right? You just got to cut those little pieces off. We're just going to pull them around there. All right, y'all. So my little idea that I had in my head, it came out cute. How adorable. How adorable. It's so cute. Aw. That's so adorable. Y'all, that's it. Top coat. So we're going to put